Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to download your Kotak bank statement online in PDF format for 2025. Whether you're managing your finances, preparing taxes, or just keeping tabs on your spending, having a digital copy of your bank statement is a game changer. This process is straightforward, secure, and takes just a few minutes. So, let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and your Kotak Bank login credentials ready. Security is key, so always use a trusted device. Step 1. Open your web browser and head over to the official Kotak Bank website. Look for the Net Banking or Login option at the top of the page. It's usually easy to spot. Once you're there, enter your user ID and password, then complete any additional verification, like an OTP sent to your registered mobile number. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts or Statements section. This is where the magic happens. Select the specific account you want the statement for, maybe your savings or current account. Next, choose the statement period. You can pick a custom date range or go with the default options, like the last month or quarter. Now, look for the format options and select PDF. That's what we're after for easy downloading and viewing. Hit the Download or Generate Statement button, and voila, your file will start downloading automatically. After it's downloaded, open the PDF to double-check that everything looks correct, like transactions and balances. Remember, always keep your statements safe and shred any physical copies if you have them. If you run into any issues, Kotak Bank's help section or customer support is just a click away. There you have it. That's how you download your Kotak Bank statement online in PDF for 2025. It's quick, convenient, and empowers you to stay on top of your finances. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.